Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. I am still in Denver, Colorado, and today I have got a really simple, quick, and easy 5-ingredient recipe for you that is perfect for dinner or lunch. We are making a Buffalo Cauliflower Quinoa Casserole, kind of a mouthful. But like I said, this recipe only uses 5 ingredients. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's got fiber, it's got protein, and it is so tasty. So as always, the recipe is up on the blog for you already. You can find the link right down below this video. And you guys asked for quick and easy dinner recipes when I did a poll on Instagram. So I am here to give you quick and easy dinner recipes. I'm making that a goal of mine in 2020, as well as some healthy take to office lunch recipes, if that makes sense. So expect more of that content coming your way. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel here on YouTube and you want to become part of this awesome community here on YouTube, you can tap the red button that is right below this video. That will subscribe you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. All right, we're gonna start by making the wet ingredients. We're gonna add some almond milk into a jar or bowl. To that, you're gonna add in some non-dairy unsweetened yogurt. I like to use the COYO brand. It's coconut yogurt, it's delicious. You could also use vegan sour cream. Then we are going to add in some buffalo sauce. I will link the one that I found down at Whole Foods that has a great ingredient list down below. And then you are just going to stir that all together until it is smooth and combined. It should look like a creamy buffalo sauce. Set that aside and we'll move on to the rest of the ingredients. So we're going to add 1 full cup of uncooked quinoa into our baking dish. And then we'll add our uncooked cauliflower florets. Once you have that in there, you can just pour that buffalo sauce directly over the cauliflower and the quinoa. And then I like to use a spoon to kind of stir it all together to make sure that there are no pockets of quinoa that are kind of sitting in the bottom, and to make sure that the cauliflower and quinoa gets all mixed together. So just give it a good stir, and that's pretty much all you have to do before you bake it. Now, an optional step here is if you wanted to add a vegan cheese on top, like a shredded vegan cheese, that would be so delicious. It would definitely add like a creaminess, add a little bit of decadence, and just make it cheesier. So if you want to do that, I would recommend trying it. Once you're ready to bake it, you can just transfer this directly into a 375-degree oven, and we're going to bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes, and you'll know it's done when the quinoa is completely cooked. It seems like most of the liquid has been absorbed, and the cauliflower is also nice and soft. So you can either divide this up into containers and store it right away, or you can just go ahead and serve it right away. So I'm gonna just show you how it looks when it's all served up. And the way that I like to finish it off is with some nutritional yeast and an extra drizzle of that buffalo sauce. It just adds a little bit of more spiciness, adds a little bit of extra moisture to it, and just makes it really, really delicious. So I hope you guys give this one a try. Sorry if the voice here is a little bit scratchy. I'm a little bit sick right now, but didn't want to miss giving you guys a good video. So hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see your recreations. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's delicious quinoa casserole recipe. This recipe is great for meal prep. It will keep in the fridge for 4 to 5 days, easily reheatable. If you wanted to add more veggies, you could totally do that. If you wanted to make it a little bit more decadent and add vegan cheese on top, you could do that as well. You could also do this with like a bean-based pasta if you wanted pasta instead. So there are tons of options with this recipe. And if you do want to try any of them, or you do end up making modifications, definitely come back to this post and let me know what you do. I love hearing how you like recreate and tweak my recipes. Their full recipe is up on the blog, so that link is right down below this video if you want to make it. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you go by clicking the red button that is right below this video. And I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Bye!